In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for budgeting, a step-by-step guide. First, let's lock down your privacy before entering a single dollar amount. Open the profile menu in the bottom left corner, go to settings, then data controls, and turn off the option labeled improve the model for everyone. This prevents your income, expenses, and budget notes from being used to train public models. Think of it as flipping on do not share for your financial life so you can work confidently and focus on the numbers that matter. Next, choose the right processing tier from the model dropdown at the top of your dashboard. Pick the instant tier when you just need quick lists, basic budget categories, or straightforward savings ideas. Switch to the thinking tier for heavier lifting, things like compound interest, multi-source income balancing, or tax-related math. Matching the tier to your task keeps the conversation smooth and the calculations precise. Now set the stage with a strong contextual prompt. Instead of a flat, make me a budget tracker, use Shift plus Enter to write a multi-line brief that explains who you are, what you need, and how you want the model to proceed. For example, act as an elite personal finance coach and forensic accountant. I want to build a highly responsive monthly budget layout. Before you calculate any categories, ask me 3 highly targeted questions, one by one, regarding my total monthly net income, my non-negotiable fixed bills, and my primary financial goals, such as emergency savings or debt payoff, so we can tailor this perfectly. Then answer each question one at a time. This ensures the plan reflects your real cash flow, not a generic template. Once you've shared your numbers, move from the chat stream to a structured view. Type /canvas, create a structured monthly budget tracker based on my numbers. Reformat the columns into a clean 5-column markdown ledger table displaying expense category, projected amount, actual spent, variance, and action savings priority rule. Your screen will split, keeping messages on the left and opening a clean spreadsheet-style canvas on the right for clear side-by-side editing. To fine-tune quickly, highlight any row or number in the canvas and click the small comment bubble that appears. Enter a direct tweak like recalculate this specific row to reflect a 10% decrease in dining out and instantly shift those extra savings directly down into the emergency fund line item. The model will adjust only that block while preserving the balance across your budget. When everything looks right, export your ledger from the Canvas header via export/download. Save it as an Excel workbook, a CSV, or PDF so you can store it offline, import it into your software, or share it securely. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next